Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Facebook login block due to suspicious activity. First, let's understand why Facebook blocks our login. It could be because we might be trying to log in too many times in a short duration of time. Or sometimes it could be also when you're logging in from a new IP address or from a new device. So in this situation, the best thing that we can do is wait for some time and then try logging in again. However, if you still have problem logging in, then we can try clearing cache from your Facebook app. So open your settings app, scroll down and tap on apps. When you find Facebook, tap on storage and then tap on clear cache. When you clean cache, your old data will be removed from your device, which means you can log in again. Following this step should fix your Facebook login block due to suspicious activity. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.